All right, so in this chapter, we're going to talk about the site utilities. So you can see here, I'm still working with, if I turn on all the layers, I turned off all the other proposed stuff, building footprint, the cut film map, all the 3D information, and all the surfaces, okay? And then I turned on all the other, junk PDF layers. So I want to bring in the utility plan from my PDF set, and that is on sheet 19. And this, gives me my storm and other utility information. So I'm going to just move that out of the way. And just like we did before, I'm going to import the plan set of page, page 19. So again, same site takeoff. I'm going to make that page 19. Come in here, sorry, page 19. Go ahead and import it. I forgot to move my sheet over, which is fine. I'll show you what I'm going to do here. Because again, we're going to geo-reference this versus placing it so we match it up with everything else. So I'm just going to kind of move this guy over here and then change this to geo-referenced PDF. And now it moves the PDF over here, where now I can come in here and I can do the same thing. I can put a boundary, but I want to keep this because it's got my notes that I can look at. So I'm just going to do a pixel to pixel. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to snap to that upper corner. And I'm going to come over here. And again, we identified earlier that this was the property line. And come down here, grab this corner. And again, come over here and grab that corner of that yellow line there. And then hit register. And now we're good. Okay. So now we've got the image in. I can come in here and I can see, I've got some structures for my storm drain. Which actually, if we take a look at the grading plan, we can see it's got some structures, but it's not giving us any rim or sewer information. So we're going to have to refer to another sheet. This one here shows us all our underground electrical, our sanitary, coming into the pump station here. And then you can see our storm and where it comes out. Now our storm is going to be on another sheet, so we'll take a look at that as we put in. I think we'll probably start with the storm, and then we will move on to the other utilities.